So one of my favorite ads and my highest converting ads are retargeting or remarketing ads. Now the Facebook pixel is needed to remarket to people who have already been to your website. So on your ads manager page, click the three bars in the top left to expand your options. Then click pixels. Now remember, 1 pixel per ad account, 1 pixel per website. So I like to create a new ad account for each website. So when one of your website's pages loads, the Facebook pixel will fire and alert Facebook that a user has visited your page. Facebook will populate the pixel with these users for the specific pages you have the Facebook pixel installed on. With this Facebook pixel traffic, you can create custom audiences based off of these Facebook pixels. Then you can use these custom audiences when building ads. You can either target or exclude these pixels based on your custom audiences. So a great example I use the Facebook pixel and custom audiences for very often is an e-commerce website. I'll choose to include the custom audience of everyone that has visited a website, but then I'll exclude an audience that has already made a purchase. This is for people who made it to the checkout or thank you page, therefore firing the pixel for the thank you checkout page. So I'm including everyone who's visited the site, but excluding the audience that has already made a purchase. See that? I don't want to retarget people who've already made a purchase. Maybe I do for another ad. But for this specific ad idea, I'm just retargeting the people who've come to the website and haven't made a purchase yet. So if you're new to this pixel, this will be the page that appears once you click pixel. So just click that green Create a Pixel button. You'll want to name this pixel. I like to include the domain name of the website I'll be installing the pixel on. Installing the Facebook pixel on your website is important because 1, you can view your website traffic via this pixel. 2, you will use this pixel for remarketing via those custom audiences, like that example I just gave. And 3, you can track conversions on sign-up forms, landing pages, checkouts, and more. So from this pixel page at facebook.com/ad/manager/pixel, and just highlight that and copy that pixel code. Then depending on your website backend, you'll want to paste that into the header of your website before the closing head tag. So here's my Facebook pixel. I pasted it before the closing head tag. By adding your Facebook pixel to your header, you will install the pixel on every page of your website, enabling you to create these custom audiences. Remember, you do not need to add more pixels for each new custom audience. 1 pixel per website. So some valuable custom audiences I use. First, people who visit specific web pages. So if I don't want to just target CourseEnvy.com traffic, I can create a custom audience of people who have visited CourseEnvy.com/Udemy. Next, people who visit or perform actions X number of times. So I can actually create custom audiences of people who have been to 10 plus pages on my website, for example. So these people who have been on my site for a long duration, they're going to be more open to me selling them a course, me selling them a product, etc. And finally, people who spend the most time on your website. Like I said, whether it's duration or number of page visits, the longer someone's engaged with your content, the more apt they are to be responsive to you selling to them. So now that the pixel is capturing traffic on your website, you can start creating all these various custom audiences based on this various traffic, and then create ads to each one of these specific audiences. So again, in your ads manager, click the top left under Assets, Audiences. Once you're on your audiences pages, click Create Audience button, and then click Custom Audience. One of my go-tos for using my Facebook pixel data is website traffic. So once I click the website traffic option, you want to select which website traffic you want to target. So anyone who visits your site, people who visit specific web pages, again, CourseEnvy.com/Udemy, a specific page, people visiting specific web pages but not others. We can exclude pages, or we can use a custom combination of all of these. So for this example, I'm targeting people who visit CourseEnvy.com in the last 30 days. So these users will populate a very specific and obviously interested audience. So this is where I would target upsells, new courses, cool new blog posts. These are users that are highly engaged and likely to either purchase or share this with their own personal audience. So once on the audiences page, you can click any one of your past created custom or saved audiences. So for this example, I clicked on Instagram bio website, I named it. This is a specific custom audience I built for a specific landing page on my website, derived from traffic that came from my Instagram bio website link. Hence why I call it Instagram bio website. So as you can see, it's pretty niche, but I know I can market things specifically, possibly about Instagram ads, about Instagram marketing, and so on. So the nice thing is, right from this audience, we can create an ad, or I can select this custom audience on the ad creation page itself. So right here, campaign, ad set audience. Right here, you'll click the drop down, or you can search, and I selected Instagram bio website.